go to the kitchen in the morning. I wash my hands with soap. I take a pan from the shelf. I put the pan on the stove. I light the stove. I crack an egg into the pan. I flip the egg carefully. I take bread from the box. I put the bread in the toaster. I wait for the bread to toast. I spread butter on the bread. I pour milk into a cup. I add coffee to the cup. I mix a coffee with a spoon. I put the food on a plate. I carry the plate to the table. I sit on the chair. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink my coffee. I drink my coffee. I take my plate to the sink. I wash the plate. I wipe the table. I leave the kitchen clean. I leave the kitchen clean.